Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Cold Brew Coffee Maker Set is a specialized tool designed for the specific purpose of creating coffee concentrate through a slow immersion process. Unlike traditional coffee makers that rely on heat to extract oils and caffeine, this system uses time and cold water to produce a different kind of beverage. This particular set includes a brewing vessel and a carafe with a capacity of 16.9 fluid ounces, which is roughly 500 milliliters. While this volume might seem modest at first glance, the system is engineered to produce a concentrated form of coffee that is meant to be diluted with water, milk, or ice. Because of this concentration, a single brew cycle is capable of providing up to 12 individual servings, depending on the desired strength of the final drink. The primary appeal of such a device lies in its ability to reduce the acidity and bitterness often associated with hot brewed coffee, offering a smoother and naturally sweeter flavor profile that many find easier on the stomach. When examining the build and design of this cold brew set, the choice of materials reflects a focus on durability and purity of flavor. The primary vessel is constructed from borosilicate glass, a material frequently used in laboratory settings because of its high resistance to thermal shock. This means the glass can handle significant temperature fluctuations without cracking, which is a practical feature for a device that might move between room temperature and a cold refrigerator. Borosilicate glass is also non-porous, which is an important consideration for coffee drinkers who want to ensure that old coffee oils or odors do not linger and affect the taste of future batches. The aesthetic is clean and functional, featuring a spill-proof pouring spout that aims to minimize mess during the serving process. Complementing the glass components is a reusable dual filtration system made from stainless steel. This system consists of an outer filter with a 500 micron rating and an inner filter featuring a 600 mesh. The use of stainless steel over paper filters not only reduces recurring costs and waste but also allows certain natural oils to pass through while keeping the fine sediment out of the final concentrate. The performance of this cold brew maker is largely defined by its filtration capabilities and the efficiency of the extraction process. The dual filtration technology is designed to solve one of the most common issues with home-brewed cold brew, which is the presence of muddy sediment at the bottom of the cup. By using two layers of varying mesh sizes, the system captures even the smallest coffee particles that might escape a single-layer filter. This results in a cleaner, more refined concentrate that maintains its clarity even when mixed with other liquids. The brewing process itself is straightforward but requires patience, as the grounds must steep in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. This extended contact time allows for a gentle extraction of flavors. Because the set is designed to produce concentrate, the user has significant control over the final product. The 500 milliliter capacity is optimized for space efficiency, allowing the carafe to fit easily into refrigerator doors or onto crowded shelves without taking up the footprint of a standard coffee machine. The spill-proof spout and ergonomic design of the carafe ensure that transferring the concentrate into a glass is a controlled and precise action, which matters when dealing with a potent liquid that could easily stain surfaces. This cold brew system is best suited for individuals who prioritize flavor quality and have limited kitchen space. It is an ideal choice for single-person households or couples where a large, multi-gallon batch of coffee would go to waste. Because it produces a concentrate, it is also highly useful for people who enjoy a variety of coffee drinks, such as iced lattes, coffee-based cocktails, or even hot coffee made by adding boiling water to the cold brew base. Those who are sensitive to the high acidity of traditional drip coffee may find this method particularly beneficial, as the cold extraction process leaves behind many of the acidic compounds that are released at high temperatures. Furthermore, the compact size makes it a viable option for office environments where a person might want to keep a private supply of high-quality coffee in a shared fridge. It also appeals to the environmentally conscious consumer who prefers to avoid the waste of disposable paper filters or plastic pods. The durability of the borosilicate glass and stainless steel also suggests a long-term utility for those who prefer to buy a tool once rather than replacing cheaper plastic alternatives frequently. In a broader context, this cold brew maker represents a balance between artisanal coffee quality and home convenience. While the 500 milliliter capacity might be a limitation for those who need to serve large groups of people all at once, the efficiency of the concentrate model mostly offsets this by providing multiple servings from a single small footprint. At a price point of approximately $50, it sits in a mid-range category where the investment is justified by the quality of the materials and the elimination of sediment in the final drink. It is important to note that the slow brewing time means this is not a solution for immediate cravings, but rather a tool for those who plan their coffee consumption in advance. The reliance on glass does require a certain level of care during handling and cleaning, but the payoff is a clean-tasting beverage free from the chemical leaching sometimes associated with plastic components. Ultimately, this set provides a reliable and aesthetically pleasing way to produce high-quality cold brew at home, focusing on a refined filtration process that prioritizes the texture and purity of the coffee. It serves as a practical addition to a kitchen for anyone looking to transition away from store-bought bottled cold brew and toward a more sustainable and customizable home brewing routine. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.